My name is Carol Sandup, and I'm a policy advisor at Rights and Democracy in Montreal, Canada. Rights and Democracy is an institution created by an act of the Canadian Parliament in 1988. Our mandate is to defend and promote the International Bill of Human Rights, primarily in developing countries. This impact assessment tool is one part of a multi-year project titled Investing in Human Rights. The reason that Rights and Democracy decided to create a methodology for community-based assessments was first to examine exactly how foreign investment influences the enjoyment of human rights on the ground, and second, to empower affected communities to advocate on their own behalf and to claim basic entitlements from the state. A fundamental premise of the methodology is that states are the primary duty bearers for the protection and fulfillment of human rights. This guide is a downloadable, web-based tool that will soon be freely available in English and French on the Rights and Democracy website. A Spanish language version is in the planning stages. The guide suggests a step-by-step process with practical guidance for each step. It also offers an innovative means to select human rights indicators based on the specifics of the investment project. Finally, the tool provides examples of research techniques and a virtual library containing resources for additional information. Here we have a prototype of the tool. To begin, it offers an introduction and table of contents. Then, 6 procedural categories or phases are highlighted: preparation of the study, mapping of the legal framework, adapting the guide to the project, an investigation process, analysis and reporting, and engagement, monitoring, and follow-up. Each phase contains a number of steps, which you will see at the left of your screen. In total, there are 25 steps. Each step represents a specific task within the assessment process. When you click on any step, your task will be highlighted at the top of the page. Step 1, for example, asks that you look at the investment project itself, and it provides a list of questions that will help you to narrow the scope of your assessment. If we move our cursor to step 2, build your team, you will see that guiding questions are supplemented by experiences, definitions, tips, or how to learn more. For example, if we want to learn more about bringing in outside expertise, the pop-up box will provide you with examples of what type of expertise you may require and where you will be able to find it. As your assessment team works through the steps, it's important to remember that you can always go back and forth. An index is provided on each page to remind you where you are in the process. Back on the home page, you will notice a virtual library. Clicking on this icon will bring you to a collection of UN and NGO reports that provide important information about the human rights commitments made by your government, interpretive statements issued by legal experts, or about the economic sector related to your assessment. It's important to emphasize that during the assessment process, communities will require ongoing support from your local Oxfam affiliate. This support includes technical assistance and financial resources, but it also includes accompaniment to facilitate links to national and international processes and to provide a degree of security for the assessment team. Rights and Democracy hopes that this human rights impact assessment tool will be continued to be used by Oxfam America and by its partners around the world. Thank you for your interest.